Yeah, welcome to yet another session. This is where you have the application settings accessible by the admin only. Alright. Alright, this is the settings. You have the application. It's a general setting actually. So the admin have access to controls, I call it switches, just off and on settings like that. You will see the carousel setting, how to control the type of alerts, whether they're allowed to make sound, whether people can comment, whether you can turn on and off login. Very important. You don't want people to log in again. Maybe you want to restrict access to your site. Uh, React, people to react to pages and posts to register. You can actually disable any of these. Okay, let's look at this autoplay. See, is this carousel is actually autoplaying on autoplay mode. You can actually click this, and I will not demonstrate all this because of our time. Let's inactivate it. Save changes. So it's like switches for some certain part of the site. I'm running on a low end laptop, so it's looking quite slow. Refresh the page. Voila. See? It's manual now. You can actually play it from here. So it doesn't play automatically. I think I will leave it back to active. So you have a lot of settings there. Yes. So the carousel, you can actually remove the carousel totally display. That's what it's doing. You don't want the carousel. No, most people may not really want this at a particular season. Maybe it's taking out of space. You want to remove it entirely. You can hide it from here. You can play sound. You want the alert to play sound. People to comment. Look at that later. People log in and all that. So it's like disabling, enabling switch. Now, social setting is all about what appears here. All these icons. This is where you put the URL, the links, and so on. So you have the email, contact form. Email is not yet set, though it's on. This is off. You can actually set it and put it off. That's why it's not showing here. It's not showing here. So this is where you type in contact form email. I wonder why we don't have contact form email. Okay, I think I was testing something out. So okay, you just make sure you fill up this in, unless the contact form will not be working for you. Though it uses the default setting once it doesn't see any contact form. So it uses this one here. You receive the email at that. Whatever you put there, the phone number and all that. So you fill up all this if you so wish. Then we will go to categories. Actually, we'll have a place we set categories. Very important. Basically, the pages, even though we'll look at pages later, pages and blogs. Okay, coming to pages, dynamic views. So this is the page category. Now, this is so important to talk about. Page category can actually parent themselves, can be a child of the other. So these are the ones we have already created. Let me show you what it looks like. So you can actually create a page. See what I'm talking about? You can create a page, then page category. Sorry. Now you can actually edit it. When we'll be looking at pages, I will show you how you can actually parent a page under another. So it'll be like a sub section. Page can be linked to each other, so they can be related to another page in kind of a web-like fascinating fashion. So also we have also post categories. Post categories. Here under blog, post also have interesting category, just like page. You can have unlimited categories that you can place your post on. Very interesting and all that. Okay, the post have, you can pick the parent. Okay, I think this is where you have the parent, so you can actually create a new one, parent it. If you didn't choose an option, you can choose the order means highest, it been as ascending order and all that, slug name and all that. So you just add it, type whatever you type here will automatically form a slug. A slug is a unique identification to that category and all that. Because of the time, I'll not be demonstrating all this. So we'll be using all this. So this is what you need to create before you can create any post or page. If not, the option of creating a page will not be there for you. Then finally, we'll be looking at maintenance. Yeah, we'll call it, I will caption the token. Where are you? We'll go under settings, token setting. Yeah. Yes, it's asking me now. I changed some things here. So, all right. This is actually for this active maintenance mode. If you want the site to be on maintenance mode, but still want people to have access to it using a definite secret code, this is what I created this one before. You can actually add anything you want here, so only those that have the secret code here can access your site. So each page that is locked by that it's a request for this. There will be a form. I'll not be showing that today. That will be in a special demo video. So on to the next. I think that's enough. On to the next section, we'll be looking at the user settings. So we'll be going back to the Mary user account. Thank you.